हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। कहीं मैं बैठा था परसों 2 days बैक एंड आई was having a normal discussion related to what is happening in the universe and astrology and यही सब चीज़ें. Somebody was sitting there. She had come down from Paris, France से आई थी. She was saying कि art is when you listen to the universe and magic is when the universe listens to you. तो वो लाइन मेरे दिमाग में बिल्कुल बैठ गई एंड कुछ बातें याद आ गई. सो आई सेड लेट मी शेयर इट विद ऑल यू लवली पीपल. आप लोगों को कभी कभी मेरी कहानियाँ पसंद आती हैं. सो मतलब वो मुझे ऐसे पता चलता है जब मैं देखता हूँ कि इस पे इतने लाइक हैं, इस पे इतने लाइक हैं, तो मुझे समझ में आ जाता है कि यार आप लोग को अच्छा लगा. सो आई सेड लेट मी शेयर दिस विद यू ऑल. सो आई रिमेंबर, बहुत पुरानी बात है ये. लेट मी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर. मैं बच्चा था एंड माई फादर यूज्ड टू लिसन टू दिस सॉन्ग. द सॉन्ग वाज, ये हवा ये रात ये चांदनी तेरी एक अदा पे निसार है, मुझे क्यों ना हो तेरी आरज़ू तेरी जुस्तजू में बहार है. So what I realized today when I listen to this song, this is all connected to nature, universe. ये हवा ये रात ये चांदनी, this is all universe, this is all made by God for all of us. God has made everything for us. It's all so beautiful. And mind you, everything that is important for us, that we need, is all free for us. बिल्कुल free है. Air, water, sunlight. I mean, most required by us, by our body, to survive, to live. तो भगवान ने तो कोई चीज़ में पैसा, materialistic चीज़ें, he's never involved all this. That is all done by us. We humans, mankind, यहाँ से शुरू हुई ये चीज़ें. So where I'm coming to is the second part. Okay, art is when you listen to the universe and when you see the universe, or you appreciate, that is all art, beauty. But magic is when the universe listens to you. Now let me come to that. Today, whatever I tell, I talk, I try to preach, I want people to understand, listen, don't fear, be brave. Because I believe in energies and I know that energies don't lie. Whether it's talking about this COVID, whether it's talking about how we have to face it, fight it, whether it's talking about our regular lives that we live, whether it's about being happy, whether it's about anything in our everyday life, our children, our elders, our families, anything. So the second line was that magic is when the universe listens to you. So when does the universe listen to you? That is what you have to create, generate, and the universe will listen to you. I'm talking with a lot of experience. My age is 50 years, friends, but my experience is 500 years. Trust me. I've seen a lot of life. So, whatever you believe in, whatever you wish, whatever you want, the universe will listen to you. But be true, be sincere, and everything and anything that you do it with a very pure, very divine, very holy, very pious heart and mind. And trust me, you will see the magic. Whatever it may be, you will see the magic. And you will see that the universe will listen to you. Trust me, guys. The poet is a universe in the universe. Having the universe in him, vibrating the universe in his head, kicking the ball in the mind field, in complex tapestry of words woven, to attain infinity in infinity. Wonder not, the poet in the universe knows what others know not, by unraveling the universe in complex poetic rhythms from deep affolds. Living in the universe and carrying the universe on head, are they equal? I know the poet is a universe, thinking the universe, carrying the universe, in complex colors of night and day, complicating the universe in issues, but resolving them in poetry. The poet is a universe, growing taproot into the ocean soil, shooting foliage to hill and heaven, engaging the universe in dialogue to grow tall trees of wisdom and understanding in the universe in which he is a universe. The poet, a universe, isolated in the universe, to think the universe in the plains, valleys, and mountains of a universe, in the universe, bewildering complexities. The poet is a universe. Take care of yourself. I love you. Thank you so much.